Hi, my name's Andrew Maybury. I've recently completed a drone training course and just wanted to share some of my thoughts and experiences on the process with you. In order to conduct any kind of commercial operation with a drone here in the UK, you need to have a PfCO, which is a permission for commercial operation issued by the Civil Aviation Authority. I looked into various different training providers to obtain that, and the one that stood out for me the most was Icarus. I was looking for a course that was going to be flexible as much as possible and that wouldn't require me to spend several days away in a classroom setting with all the time and costs that can involve. Now with the Icarus course you can do the majority of the training online from the comfort of your own home, so that was really great. The course is run by people who are very experienced in the aviation industry, so you know that you can really rely on what you're being taught. And everyone that I've dealt with has been really professional and friendly as well, so that's been great. They also offer, which is a big bonus, they also offer the option to have their partner consultancy company put together your operations manual for you, and that is a big time saver. So I would definitely recommend Icarus if you are based here in the UK and are looking to become a properly qualified drone pilot. There's a link below this video that will take you to the Icarus website. That will give you all the information that you need to go ahead and book onto the course. If you've got any questions, do feel free to ask me in the comments below, and please give this video a like if you've found it helpful. Thank you.